Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has vowed that those behind attacks will be caught and face a heavy penalty. On Sunday, Erdogan held an emergency security meeting to discuss measures against the PKK-affiliated group that claimed responsibility for the attacks. And the president also visited a hospital where dozens were being treated. He called on his country to continue fight against terrorism.
My nation, my people should not doubt that we will fight until the end. They should know that they will not get away with this. We will not let them get away with this. They will pay a bigger price. They better be aware.